इसका नाम है हबा खातून सुमो स्टैंड टावर।
हाँ
अगर आपको आना होगा तो इधर हम सब कुछ दिखाएंगे।
करेक्ट
आप देख सकते हो इधर बहुत अच्छा है, प्लेस है, बढ़िया है।
Yes, so people, I can't recommend Habba Khatoon Tours and Travels Company because they give you these very personalized travel experience. As you can see, I just crossed this river, which is truly something, and I'm told this particular video will be used as they need to promote their cute little travel company, and it is just spectacular, yeah. Look at these houses, just how cute are they? It's just by the river stream, and we have the gentleman there, and this is our group, and this seems like so much fun. So it's called Habba Khatoon, and you can find them in Gurez Valley, Kashmir. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.